In today's video, I will show you how to represent a power of 10 with a negative exponent in fractions and decimal forms. Our example, evaluate 10 to the negative 5. Our first step is to rewrite the base as its reciprocal and the exponent without the negative sign. So in this example, the base is 10. So we are going to rewrite 10 as its reciprocal, and that is 1 over 10. And then we're going to write the exponent, which is negative 5, without the negative sign. And that is 10 to the 5th. So our first step, therefore, as you can see, we rewrite the base as its reciprocal, and that is 1 over 10, and then the exponent without the negative sign, and therefore 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 1 over 10 to the 5th. Our next step is to evaluate or simplify 1 over 10 to the 5th. So 1 over 10 to the 5th is equal to 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. So what we have done, we have evaluated the denominator by multiplying 10 by itself as many times as the exponent. So the exponent is 5, so we multiply 10 5 times. And we further simplify. So 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 is equal to 1 over 100,000. And 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 1 over 100,000 as a fraction. Now as a decimal. Now, to get the fraction 1 over 100,000 to a decimal, we're going to divide the numerator by the denominator. So that is 1 divided by 100,000. So we know the 1 is a whole number, so the decimal point is on the right. So we're going to move that point 5 places to the left. And as you can see, 5 places, and we use zeros as placeholder. So our decimal is 0.00001. And therefore, when we evaluate 10 to the negative 5 as a fraction and a decimal, we have 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 1 over 100,000 as a fraction, and 0.00001 as a decimal. So let's recap what we did. 10 to the negative 5. First, we rewrite the base 10 as its reciprocal, which is 1 over 10. And then we write the negative exponent, leaving off the negative sign. And as a fraction, we would evaluate 10 to the 5th by multiplying 10 by the number of times that the exponent says. So the exponent is 5, so we multiply 10 5 times. And that will give us, as a fraction, 1 over 100,000. And as a decimal, we divide the numerator, which is 1, by 100,000, which is the denominator. And to do that, fraction to decimal, we divide the numerator by the denominator, move the decimal point 5 places to the left, and then we will arrive at 0.00001. So we conclude that 10 to the negative 5 is equal to 1 over 100,000 is equal to 0.00001. And this is all I have for you today. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. But just before I go, I would just like to, let's just have a look at the negative exponent pattern. So here we have 10 to the first power, 10 to the negative 1, and we have 1 over 10 to the first power equals 110 equals 0.01, and that is equal to 110. So we have the decimal and the fraction. And we go on to 10 to the negative 2, which is 1 over 10 to the second power. And we simplify that, which is 1 over multiply 10 by the times, how many times the exponent say. So that is 10 times 10. And that as a decimal is equal to 0.01. And the fraction is 1 over 100. When we multiply 10 by 10, we get 100. 10 to the third, 10 to the negative 3, 1 over 10 to the third. That's 1 over 10 times 10 times 10. That is equal to 0.001. And that is equal to 1 over 1,000. 10 to the negative 4, 1 over 10 to the fourth. 1 over 10 times 10 times 10 times 10. That is equal to 0.0001, and that is equal to 1 over 10,000. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.